Hello friends, welcome to Trading Pickup. As I've shown you today's demonstration, live demo of our trading terminal linked with Excel sheet, and our Excel sheet has generated these stocks which has performed during the intraday trading. So what I will show you now is these are the stock which has generated a buy signal in our system. So let's see during the intraday trading how these stock has performed. Let's see. We will take MFSL. MFSL has around 7.78% up in future. So we'll see how it has performed in cash. MFSL. See MFSL. Today morning it has opened with positive bias, and it has closed of around 453. So around 7.78% gain it has given today from yesterday's close, means last trading session close. So today morning in 15 minutes candle it has opened with 2.757% up, and it has consolidated for some time. Then it has given a buys around 10 points up for from 430 439 to 453, around 10 to 13 points up, okay, during the trading sessions. Okay, these are the stock which has picked properly. Now we'll go with ICICI Pro. ICICI Pro, let's see how ICICI Pro has performed. ICICI Pro, ICICI Pro Life. See here, today is very big candle on 15 minutes chart. So it has consolidated for some time. Then it has given a good buying signal. From 372, it has made a high of 3 at 78. So around 8 rupees point in just 300 rupees stock, means it has a good performance. And let's see from Mindtree. Mindtree around 15 points, 15% up. So let's see how Mindtree has performed during intraday trading. Mindtree, Mindtree, one of the best stock we had picked today. It has opened with the gap up opening, and gap up opening of around 7.4% up, and during the 15 minutes candle the closing was 839. So we bought, if suppose on 839, so it has closed at of around 885. So and it has made a high of 894. So one of the best stocks for today is Mindtree. It has given a very good movement. So these are the stocks which is being sorted in the morning itself, in the morning trade, like from 9:30 to 9:45 we can get these stocks on our panel. Let's see how ICICI Bank has performed. ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank. So with these strategy you will be able to find out the good stock, and you will have the calculated risk over here. And with proper risk management, you will definitely get 3 to 4% up in each and every stock what we have selected, or what we have picked up during the intraday trading. So in ICICI Bank also, from the morning itself it is in positive bias, and it has given a movement of around good movement. Today it has up on 4%. So best movement today from 340 to it has made a high of 353. Now it has closed at 346. These are the live charts during the intraday trading, I am telling you. So this kind of strategy is very easy to understand, and if any layman can understand it, only because we have made it such a simple strategy, so that it will be easy to understand from all the life perspective. Like if you are trader, if you are not trader, if you are investor, everybody can apply this strategy and can have the winning stocks in your radar. Like Bata India. Let's see Bata India, from where Bata India has given the buy. Bata India, Bata India, see Bata India, from next candle itself it is given the buy signal, and it has closed very well. From 1255 to it has gone up to 1295. So 1255, 1295, around 40 points in single trade. So one of the best strategies what we have, and we are making every trader make use of it, so that one day you will be a expert trader. If you need this kind of a strategy in your panel, you can DM me on my Instagram page. I will contact you. I will show you how these stocks will be performing in live trade. and how to trade during live session. Thank you very much.